Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hey, Philip Griffith from PSG Photo Solutions, and we're here again from the Photo Managers Conference in Denver, Colorado. I'm with Jody Bondi and remind me of your company name.
Hoosier Photo Organizer.
Right, and you're in
Indiana.
just outside of Indianapolis?
Right, yes, just west of Indianapolis.
And you've been coming to these conferences for quite a while.
Yes, I've missed the first one.
Okay, so out of 10, you've come to 9.
Yes.
So you've been doing this for a while,
Mhm.
and what's something that you've done in this past year for a client?
So a project that I just finished up and I'm working to get ready to deliver actually started about 2 years ago. The client had come to me and had a handwritten spiral bound book that his grandmother had written of her family history or of her history growing up and things. And he's like, I want to make this into a digital book and to share it with the family. So I took and I scanned all of the pages, and I had to, do a lot of cropping to get them, and it was handwritten. So it was, I didn't really read the story because it was hard to read, but I got it all done, got it into a 12 by 12 template of a book, and then I said, okay, so I think I've got this ready. He says, okay, but there's a picture of my grandma that I want to put on the cover. Okay. Well, it took 2 years to get that picture. He's a farmer, so he's out in the field in the spring and summer, and that so that wasn't a priority. But he misplaced where he put it, and so it took until the beginning of this year that finally he's like, I found the picture. Okay, so I went and picked it up, and it was actually he had a small bag of maybe 8 or 10 pictures, and I'm like, okay. So I was able to get that scanned, put it onto the cover, scan the other photos, put a little bit of captions in there, and actually finally send the book off and get it printed. This book, it was 154 pages.
Wow.
And so that was one of the difficulties, is finding the right printer, because not everybody does that many pages. And so I got it back just a couple weeks ago, and I think it's phenomenal. I just can't wait to give it to him. And he really liked the cover because I made it, and my creative ideas, I think of, oh, this is going to be great. But sometimes your clients go, I don't like that. And he's like, oh my gosh, I love it. So I'm like, thank you. I hit it on the nail. But this is a project that's been going on for 2 years. And
Yeah.
I just had to be patient.
Yeah.
It was going to happen when it needed to happen. And so when I return from conference, I will deliver it to him, and hopefully he will be just as pleased with the finished product in person as what he's seen in emails.
Great. Now, is this just for him, or is he doing this for his family?
So he was gonna get multiple copies made for his family, and then he said, I think what I might do, he says, because it's probably going to be hard for people to read, is maybe now we'll take and get it transcribed.
Okay.
I don't know if that'll be something I will do, but he says I would like to get it typed out so that people have an easier chance to read it.
Yeah.
So, and we may include a couple pages of the original so that they can just compare that.
Right.
But he's hoping at some point then to do it for the family.
Right. So he's doing some stages
Right.
of this project. That's great.
Yep.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, and we'll see you as you use your photos to tell your story so they will last for generations. See you next time.